Hello, I am going to recite a poem. The name of the poem is Corona Thoughts, recited by Bhargob. It is the cause for our worldwide pause. I sit and think how our lives changed in a blink. Amidst it all, is this a wake-up call? Is this a total negative or just a temporary sedative? Does God need to interject so His creation can reflect? As we lose some stability, do we gain some humility? If we feel we were in total control, does this not take a harder toll? I have noticed through it all, families outdoors throwing a ball, couples are walking, maybe doing more talking. Sometimes in the digester, we can remember who is the master. Maybe that's a good perspective that keeps us grateful and reflective. I don't make light that many we lost to His fight. For families left behind, may we show up, may we be kind. Thank you. যদি কবিতাটো চাই ভাল পালে তেনেহলে লাইক, কমেন্ট আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।